Link for this video will be in the description. iPhones can easily be turned into a body cam to record police. Apple introduced iOS 12 following its historic iPhone event last month, adding the shortcut app to let users allow Siri to do more tasks, such as taking a photo, putting your phone in do not disturb mode, or making your commute more enjoyable. But one creative user has developed a way to turn iPhones into the civilian version of a body cam, letting users record their interactions with police in a sly manner. Reddit user Robert Peterson has created a shortcut called Police, which triggers a series of actions. First, it lets users send a text message to a predetermined friend to let them know they are being pulled over. Then it pauses the music that might be playing in the phone and gets access to the camera to start recording interaction. It also puts the phone in do not disturb mode. Users need to say, "Hi Siri, I'm getting pulled over," and the shortcut triggers automatically. Speaking with Business Insider, Peterson said it could be the civilian equivalent of police body cam. It seemed to me that if you're getting pulled
Workout
over,
resumed.
it couldn't hurt to have a recording of the incident, Peterson told the news outlet. The police these days
Workout
in many
paused.
places have body cams, so this could be the civilian equivalent. As an example, the text message that will be sent to a friend could say something like, "I'm getting pulled over, my current location." If a user gives the shortcut permission to access their location, it would automatically fill in the location, latitude, and longitude information. From there, the iPhone would start recording using the front-facing camera. Use the recording is stopped. The video can be sent to the Dropbox account or iCloud account via email or text.